invited talks with 313 total number of research articles and 32 oral and 241 poster presentations. The sponsors of this conference are Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, then PM Usha, ANRF New Delhi, BRNS Mumbai, Sterlite Technologies Limited, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, then Bank of Maharashtra, State Bank of India, Tulsi College of Computer Science and Information Technology Bid, Modern College of Computer Science and Information Technology, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Astu Infotech Pune, then Adarsh Tradelink Pune, Magnetic Infotech Private Limited, then and MGM University, and parallel sessions covering diverse themes in material science and related areas. I encourage all participants to engage actively, ask questions, exchange ideas, and use this platform to build meaningful academic connections. I would like to sincerely thank our speakers and session chairs for their willingness to share their expertise. I also acknowledge the efforts of the convener, organizing secretary, technical committee coordinators, volunteers, and staff members whose dedicated work has made this conference possible. Lastly, I would like to thank we hope that this ICMS 2026 will not be only the academically enriching but also provides an opportunity to experience our university and the city of Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to all of you and wish you a productive, insightful and pleasant conference, and I wish ICMS 2026 every success. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now come to the most heartfelt and defining moment of the today's inaugural ceremony, that is the felicitation of Professor Mahendra D. Sirsat. How does one define a personality whose affiliations cannot be confined to classrooms, laboratories, or the titles? How does one summarize a life that has quietly shaped institution and countless lives? Professor Sirsat's journey is a rare blend of scholarly brilliance, humility, discipline, and compassion. To his student, he is a mentor. To his colleagues, he is the pillar of strength. To the institution, a conscience keeper, and also many solid source of inspiration. Can a few words capture such a personality? Perhaps not. If one sentence must describe him, it would be simply, he is Professor Mahendra Darshat Sirsat. One can say, हमने उनको कितना देखा, जितना देखा जा सकता था, फिर भी दो आँखों से भला कितना देखा जा सकता था. All the eyes here collected here to bring together the glimpses of this remarkable academic journey, the milestone, the memories, the mentorship, and the human values. We now present the documentary dedicated to Professor Mahendra Sirsat sir, which is scripted, edited by myself, that is S.S. Saini, Dr. Rupali Kulkarni, Dr. Swati Kulkarni, and technically handled by Professor Ganesh Shinde sir. As a poet says, कुछ लोग किताबों में नहीं दिलों में बस जाया करते हैं. कुछ लोग किताबों में नहीं दिलों में बस जाया करते हैं. वो चलकर भी राह बनाते हैं, यही नहीं सर उठाया करते हैं. May I now request our technical team to run the documentary, please.
Every great institution is shaped by a few extraordinary minds. At Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, one such name stands tall, a Professor Mahendra Sirsat, synonymous to academic excellence, scientific innovation, and visionary leadership. Your personality is a rare intersection of knowledge, humanity, guidance, and science. To understand how one man from a remote village named Mahatodi, born into a poor family but enriched by his father's strong moral values, could build such a vast legacy in a single lifetime, one must look at the screen of your life, browse through countless icons, open infinite folders, and listen to the stories hidden within every file. In this journey, we find ourselves liberated. Today, we celebrate your devoted and dedicated 37 years of transforming the world of science and education. From the classrooms of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University to the laboratories of the USA, Australia, Japan, Taiwan, and many more countries, your journey is one of relentless curiosity and inspiring leadership.
I started my academic career in 1988 as a teacher. Since then, I have many academic and administrative responsibilities in the university campus, but still at this point, I would like to consider myself as a teacher because teaching students, guiding them, and looking at their success gives me a lot of happiness. In fact, when I started my teaching career, I had a strong belief that education is a powerful tool which can change the lives.
Professor Shirsat currently serves as Dean of the Faculty of Science and Technology, Senior Professor of Physics, Director of the RUSA Center for Advanced Sensor Technology, and Head of the Department of Electronics. Over the years, you have held some of the university's most critical leadership roles, including Registrar, Director of IQAC, Director of Incubation, Innovation and Linkages, Director of Academic Staff College, and Director of Deen Dayal Upadhyay Kaushal Center. With 37 years in teaching and research and 14 years in administration, your leadership has strengthened systems, policies, and academic culture.
So your passion, your energy and your dedication towards Department of Physics had lasting impact on all of us. You taught us that planning, execution and success go hand in hand. There is no shortcut for these kind of things.
Not only teaching but research lies at the heart of your journey. With more than 300 research publications, including extensive work in internationally indexed journals, your contributions have earned global recognition. Your research impact is reflected in thousands of citations, a strong H-index, patents, and high-impact scientific output, advancing sensor technology and materials research. Your work has resulted in patents and design innovations, bridging fundamental science with real-world applications.
Professor Shirsat is a researcher, professor, and a leader, academic leader, having vision of establishing very research and innovation facilities in the universities, and accordingly he has worked hard and established the very good research facility having materials.
As I know him, he's a genius. He would work in quantum consciousness and also in quantum physics as to how the brain functions electrodynamically and quantum-wise works in a broader way, in a compassionate way, to see all beings happy in the world.
Your academic journey extends far beyond national borders. You served as a postdoctoral fellow and visiting scientist at the University of California, Riverside, USA, contributing to cutting-edge research in chemical and environmental engineering.
Dear Mahendra, your academic contributions are outstanding and exemplary and above those of your peers. Throughout your career, you have given yourself warmly and generously to the success of others. You have accomplished a lot and given a great deal. You are leaving a legacy that will be hard to match. I wish you the very best as you embark in your new exciting journey and adventure that is retirement.
Your global engagements include prestigious appointments as visiting principal fellow in Australia, visiting professor in South Korea, Taiwan, Tokushima University of Japan, and visiting professor under the National Scholarship Program of the Slovak Republic at Comenius University, Bratislava. Through these collaborations, you strengthened international research networks and elevated India's academic presence on the global stage.
I would like to take the chance to thank Professor Shirsat for supporting the long-lasting cooperation between India and Taiwan, including joint projects and MOUs, and also offering short-term courses.
And when I have been to the Aurangabad to see you, so you to show the very kind hospitality to me, and also you explained your Indian religion and Indian culture.
But if we ask him his greatest achievement, he might not point to a certificate. He would point to his students. A dedicated mentor, Professor Shirsat has successfully guided 32 doctoral scholars and 5 postdoctoral researchers while continuing to supervise emerging researchers today.
I still remember when I met Shirsat sir first time in 2011 at Dr. J.C. Bose lecture series. That day after Shirsat sir lecture, one thought planted in my mind that I will be a scientist in future.
Your real legacy lives on in the minds you are shaped. You are not just a boss, you are a mentor. You has led 26 major national and international research and infrastructural projects, securing research grants worth over 17 crores rupees, transforming laboratories into hubs of innovation.
You always believe that the talent can come from anywhere, and that hard work, consistency, and integrity matter more than background. Your guidance not only shaped my research mindset, but also my values as a researcher and as a person.
One of Professor Shirsat's most enduring contributions lies in institution building. You played a key role in establishing the Center for Advanced Sensor Technology, equipped with state-of-the-art facilities for material synthesis, characterization, and device fabrication. You have an instrumental role in launching the Department of Electronics, introducing industry-oriented programs such as BSc AERDP and MSc Electronics, empowering students with skill-based education in electronics, automation, and automobile technology.
So my association with him started for 3 decades ago. I met him in a literature conference where he just completed his PhD and then came to the conference.
I have